Hello, what I have up today for sale is a Clarke Super 7R 4-edger, owned by a rental company and maintained by the rental company. As you can see, the light is working. There's really not much damage on this at all. You can see that we have a new bag put on here. And what I'll do is I'll turn this on shortly to go ahead and make sure you see it running, and we'll go from there. All right. Specifics to this machine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call at 585-749-0022. Thanks a lot and enjoy your day.